Hi and welcome. I'm Susan Gupta with the Melo Group Real Estate team, and I'd like to welcome you to an educational seminar for seniors. We will be holding this on June 22nd from 10 a.m. to 12, and we've got some great speakers and lots of little snacks, so we want you to come enjoy and learn a lot. I'd like to welcome Mark.
Hey,
Mark,
Susan.
welcome.
That's great.
Can you let the audience know what you'll be talking about?
Absolutely. Thank you for hosting, Susan. And I'm really looking forward to being with you on June 22nd from 10 to 12. And I'm a financial advisor, and I'm going to be talking about, as we age, we have a net worth that we've built all our lives. And we want to protect it. We want to make sure we're safe. We want to make sure that life is simple, and yet we're going to be okay over the long term. So I'm going to be talking about important financial strategies and solutions for us that you would want to know about, and answer any questions you may have. I'm so excited about that day, and thank you again, Susan, for hosting.
Thank you, Mark. Now I'd also like to introduce and welcome a downsizing specialist. Viraf, could you please join us?
Hi.
Hi, Viraf.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Viraf Baliwalla. I'm with Transition Squad. We're a project manager. We help seniors downsize, and we work with families that are going through a parent transition or settling in a state. And one of the biggest physical problems that whether it's the senior themselves or the family member has is, what do I do with all the stuff that I've collected over the last 30, 40, 50 years?
Yeah.
Right? So our job here is to take away the burden of that downsizing process, and to find a good home for these items through our own online auction program, and as well to maximize the sale price on behalf of the customer. So that's what I'm going to be talking about.
Excellent. Thank you, Viraf. Now I'm a real estate specialist, and we don't just sell real estate. From the Melo Group, we go through a process as you transition, and we manage all the aspects involved with it. So we're looking really forward to seeing you at our seminar, that we can share our knowledge and advise you on things that you'd like to learn about. So please sign up on the screen. There will be a link, which is to Eventbrite, to sign up for the program, or you can call us directly and
register.
Pardon?
And register.
And register. Exactly. And we look forward to talking to you, and it'll be a great time. So meet us June 22nd from 10 to 12.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you.